Hello everyone, this is Danish from jobskillshare.org. This video is for brand new people that are joining in for the first time, or you're listening to this video for the first time, or maybe somebody shared this video with you because you were interested in IT career. Now, let me just say this clearly that this is not just about IT career, this platform is even more than that. But since we have a lot of IT courses in this platform and we kind of work in this career also, this is why we started with IT stuff. So let's say you are a brand new person, you're here, and this video will be perfect. At the end of this video, you will understand everything. And if you were, in that position where you're looking for IT information, courses, and how to start your career, then you came to a perfect place. You will not regret it. So let's get started. Here, this is the site. This is our site right now. You're looking at this site in the background. You're looking at this site. Let me put you in the category, so then it will be a little easier for you because you're not alone. We have so many people coming from different categories that we know how people are joining this site. So if you are not one of these categories, you can make your own categories, no problem. Here, let's say you are a customer service person. And customer service, that I'm using this word, is that maybe you already have a job but it's not an IT job, and you just want to start IT job right from scratch. You love it because you work with IT people and you want to be that person. So you are in the right place right now. Let's say you are a student. Don't mind my drawing, okay? Let's say you're a student and you just want to know what type of things people do when they start entry level IT position, because I'm basically going to school for it. I'm spending some money for it. What should I do? Should I just look for some courses? Should I buy some courses and things like that? You came to the right spot because you're going to find out how much money you will be spending. Millions. All right. So you came to, let's say this person is coming to US or UK or anywhere that basically is more like English, because that's what our courses are based on for now. We probably will go for other languages once we get a little better, but at this point everything is in English. So let's say you are coming from India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, whatever, Afghanistan, and any other country, Europe. You're just coming here, and you know that visa process when it takes about 8 months, and you're thinking to yourself that, what should I do in these 8 months? Should I start? Because I like IT stuff. You're thinking about IT already, or maybe you have some courses that you already took in your country. Then you can definitely use it. Why not take some courses like these? And when you go to US or other countries, bam, you can start applying for jobs right away. Because I was in this situation, and I already made a video. If you guys want to know how I started my career, you should look at the video how I started my IT career. So this person, another one would be, let's say for example you are working in some IT shop and you think you have a lot of experience with computers, but you want to start the corporate level IT stuff, like network engineering, help desk, and stuff like that, where there's a professional job. You get like all the benefits and things like that, and you can move up, and because you love this stuff, then this might be you. Or you could be a person just in home, and you're actually not thinking about IT job, but you just want to, you have so many technical stuff at your home that you want to be that guy that everybody calls, just, hey, fix my stuff, and you want to be that person, and that's where you are. Or listen, you could be a teacher. You have so many students, and you want to basically provide some IT courses to your students. Then you also came to a perfect place. You could be that person. You could be that networking guy, an IT guy, already an IT guy, and you're saying you're getting these new people into your job, and you're thinking, man, I need to train them. This is not easy stuff. Because trust me, I know how you feel. So that's why this course will help you out. Or maybe you're just that one friend that everybody calls and say, hey, do you know any IT resources? Can you teach me some IT stuff? then you can just tell them go to this site. You see how many people I'm targeting here? If I missed you, then just make your own category, because this site is awesome for everyone. It doesn't matter what you do, it's going to be beneficial. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. Too much drawing. Let's get started. Here, you came to this site, jobskillshare.org, and you want to start IT career. Now, let me tell you, it's not easy to start this career. Like, people go all around A plus, this plus. You take this course, you take that course, you need experience, you need that. A lot of things happens, and it just stresses you out. So we made it a little easier for you. What we did, we made basically courses that are hands-on courses. So you scroll down, as you can see, this is just started 3 months ago. And this course had more than 7,000 students all over in other platforms. But we moved to jobskillshare.org because it's easy for us to maintain everything in one place. And in 3 months, you can see how many people are joining this and already taking a benefit of these courses. On the top, you guys see there's top courses, but we don't want to confuse you. That's the last thing, because when you go to top courses, you might be thinking, should I take this course, should I take this course, should I take this course, and that will confuse you, right? So we made a track system. So look at this. Get on the right track. Tracks are guided learning paths that train you in large topic areas. No experience necessary. Tracks have no prerequisites, so you can get started with no prior experience. By the end, you will have new skill that you can use to start a new career. The way our platform works is this. We make our courses from our experience. We are people who are working already in IT positions, so we work daily. We are volunteers for this platform basically. And the way we work to make this so good, we basically reach out to other platforms also. So if there's a course that we think that we don't have to reinvent the wheel, we basically talk to the platform and say, hey, can we use your course? We will use your course for like entry level stuff so that people can know the academic stuff for the IT, but at the same time we will be creating videos with your courses to make it super good. And that's what we did. So we have some examples, like for example, help the support entry level to specialist, which is a big course. So this is why we need to make a track system. So if you go down up right here, all courses, track guided learning paths. So if you click on that, here is what things get really simple now. And a lot of people look for this information all over. Every time you go to different platform, Reddit, Spiceworks, any other places you go there, people ask these questions again and again, and that's why we have created it so that you can have information and you get started in one place. But we just want to point you out with one thing. We are not making these numbers up. So for example, you want to start an IT career from scratch. You just want to land that first entry level job. You want to know about the information first. So here, if you look at how much money they were making in 2014, it's $50,000 per year. And this is basically the average. So I'm not just making this in numbers right here. If you go to this site, which we put a detail right here, it's coming from the legit government site, and that's the main site for statistics. They do this stuff. They have people that can get this information out, and when you click on it, you will see everything summary of a computer. I'm not gonna go through all this stuff because you already been through this. You looked at this information all over the places, but now you're at the point where, can you just show me where can I start this stuff and not spend money? Because some of the courses are like $1,500, just one course, just 20 hours of course, and I'm paying $1,500. It's too much. So this is what we did for you guys. We have created all these courses, so then you can basically not talking about thousands of dollars, not even $100, and I'll tell you in a second where you will be paying a little bit money if you have to pay money. First of all, look at this. If you go back to the site again, you see free. Some of them have price, and that's $9, because this platform you cannot exceed or sell a course or any courses that cannot be more than $10. But most of the courses right now are free, and those are the top courses. You probably have to pay for something that requires a lot of work, like hands-on work from us or other people or any other instructor that are teaching something really cool, and then they don't want to sell it on for free and things like that. It's really up to them, but you can see how many things are for free. So the data that is coming from the legit site, we don't just make this data again. You can come here, click on this link, see what it is about, education requirement for computer support specialist, and it will give some basic information, and then work experience none, and then you click on it, how many people had these jobs in 2014. You can see how many people right here, and in 2014 till 2024, 12% it will go high. So you can see by this that how many people are going to be actually getting these jobs, and there's going to be so many other people, other companies that are going to be providing these jobs. So lots of opportunity for people who wants to get into this career. As you can see, what is the coolest thing about Trax is that we put it in a way that you don't have to go anywhere. So this is where things get so easy for you that it was not available for a lot of people. And I know there were tracks like from, if you go to A plus, you just go to their tracks. Microsoft will put their tracks, Cisco will put their tracks. But can you just show me where people put everything together with people who are working already in the field? This is why it is so attractive. It's just grabbing so many students right now. Is the only reason for this platform to be so effective is because we don't care about who is Microsoft, who is Cisco, who is what. We just care about when you get a job, what exactly do you touch? Like, what do you do? What do you do to become an IT person? And that's what we did. We make it really simple. There was no ticketing courses in the beginning. When we started this a few years ago, I searched all over the internet and I couldn't find one ticketing course. Every ticketing system was saying that we are the best and we just teach our ticketing stuff. But every time when a person goes to an interview, an entry level person, they ask for a ticketing system. Do you have any experience with ticketing systems? So we created this course. So we combined some good ticketing systems, and we'll be adding more. So then we made a course out of it, and it became really successful. People loved it because now an entry level person who didn't know anything about assigning calls, which is one of the most important thing in help desk, that's what you do. You get a call, you assign it to people, to the right people. That's one of the main part of your job. They were missing this. We created that course. We created just a course for Active Directory user management. This is another course where people, when you get hired, the first thing is a process. Like, you add people, you delete people, you get a call for a password reset. Somebody changed their department, you need to change their titles. When they get married, you need to change their last name. Things like that. That happens all the time. So we created a course on that. Then we created a big monster course, which is help desk support entry level to specialist. In this course, you will learn every single thing about technology, like what we use, imaging, things like that. How do you get really technical now? This is where you're transitioning to that IT person. First two are just processes. This is something that anyone can learn pretty quickly. But the third one is that you're transitioning into that person who is going to be using terms with the networking guys or things like that. So now you're getting used to, your head is getting used to technology. This is where you're opening up to different things, different ideas. This is why this course is so powerful, that it's not just a basic help desk course. It's not like you just go there and you'll learn a few things and you'll become a help desk. It's a pretty big course, so take your time with that. And then we have other courses in the track that is just related to help desk career. We made it super easy for you, and this is what we were talking about when we talk about external courses. Now, A plus, like I said, we will not reinvent the wheel when there is a super quality courses available outside. Like Professor Messer courses are super good. We love it. I learned from him myself. So I added his courses, and then other people that are really, really good in their department, like servers and things like that, that goes to our external resources feature that we do in our site. So if you scroll down, let's say you are done with help desk. You have some experience with help desk. You're moving up now. You want to become that network and computer system administrator. As you can see, the money also changes. The experience, the education requirement also changes over here. The work experience, maybe no. The jobs, maybe less, because it's a little bit, demanding job with, like, you need to have a degree, so the number goes down a little bit, and the percentage is 8%. So we also add then other places like Microsoft Virtual Academy courses. We will give you the links. So we saves you a lot of time, a lot of searching time that can just stress you out, because while you search, you will come across so many network fundamental courses, and you must be thinking to yourself, this is too much, and you're stressing yourself out. So we just say, you know what? Start with one that we recommend. If you don't like it, you can start searching for other ones. But you might want, like, these are the things that we are so careful that we want to make things easier for you. Then it goes to Windows System Administrator course as another free resource site, and Active Directory infrastructure, and then we have our own lab courses like Administrator, Office 365, and some lab courses, hands-on courses, and other courses that we are going to be actually creating, just like the help desk one. Help desk one is the most completed track, and that's the most hot track in this site. But the other ones are also pretty good because we provide you with some great information. If you go down, there is another one. It's called Information Security Analyst, and you can see the prices change. The education, bachelor's, the number is a little low, but 18%. It's basically going to go 18% from 2014 to 2024. So there's a lot of jobs that's going to be in this field. So we also give you information right here. Okay, take this course, and take this course, and other courses are on the way. This is what I was talking about, to make things super easy for you, because we were at one point in the same situation where we were looking for information. We were in this. I just removed that. Okay, we were in one of the categories that I just created a few minutes ago, and these are the things that we did for you guys. So, and like, again, we make these videos because things change on the site, things get added on the site, and we'll keep doing this every year when we change things. Every month, if we change things, we'll keep doing that. So from your side, how can you help us? You can basically help us by taking these courses and sharing with other people. Also, the courses are free. All the courses are free. But if you want a certificate, if you want us to charge you, like, check your work and projects and things like that, then it's a very small fee that it's extremely affordable. It's only $199 per month, or you can pay $30 per year. And that's only if you want to access some of the special courses. That is just too, like I said, we cannot control other teachers, or if somebody put a lot of work in their course, they want to charge for it. No problem. There's no hidden stuff in this platform. It's pretty much clear that this is what we charge for and this is what we don't charge for. And you can see most of the things are free. That's been free, and we don't want to change that because this is helping a lot of people. Like, for example, this course is free, this course is free, this course is free. Most of these courses are free. But if you want a certificate, yes, we have to be clear. We have to run this site. We have to pay for the servers. We have to pay for the resources. So there's no hidden stuff in this platform. So that was it, guys. If you're a brand new person, now you know. And I would recommend you, if you're brand new, take this Welcome to Job Skills Share course, because in this course now we teach you how to register yourself, how to reset your password, how to do things, or at the end, if you don't like this platform, how to delete your account from this platform forever. So thank you for watching this. I know it got a little boring, but hopefully this information was great information for you. And if you think that you're the brand new person and I helped you in some way, please drop a comment, because it helps us, it motivates us. And that's it. Thank you for listening to me, and I'll see you guys in these courses. Take care. Bye bye.